Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about 10 ways to improve your verbal or spoken communication. We'll start with the speaker, that is you. Your body language should be positive. You should appear confident. You should keep smiling. This helps diffuse the tension and pressure and helps you portray as a confident person who has things under control. Second is the way you speak, your volume, your tempo, the kind of pauses you're taking, the tonality of your language, and the stress and emphasis that you give to the words when you're speaking. Number three is the actual language that you use. If you're using more adjectives and more synonyms and you're using idiomatic expressions and phrases, then it can help improve the impact of your message. Also, try to always use active voice and avoid passive voice. Now, coming to the message itself, which goes from the speaker. The message should be loud and absolutely crystal clear. You should make sure that there is no scope of any miscommunication. The message should be not ambiguous at all, and it should be very simple to understand and comprehend. Now, coming to the receiver or your audience. So, keep in mind three things here. The ethos part, which means that you should establish credibility and trust with your audience. It can be through your credentials that you display or through the prior relations that you have built with them. Second part is the pathos part of it, or the emotional angle of communication. So try to use the messaging and your communication in a way that evokes certain emotions in your audience, because emotional communication is the best form of communication, is the most effective form of communication, right? So you can maybe provide some examples or stories with which the audience can actually relate and feels more human, right? The last part, or the ninth part in our list, is related to logos or logic. So of course your communication, your facts, figures and everything should be logically sound. It should not have any reasoning flaws, right? So just make sure. And finally, the last point, the 10th point, be organized. Think in frameworks and speak in frameworks, and of course be prepared. Being prepared will help you develop confidence and speak in this fashion. So just to sum it up again, the 10 points are: number one, improve your body language. It should be confident. Number two, the way you speak is very important, including tonality, your volume, your tempo. Number three is the actual language or wordings that you're using, adjectives, synonyms, phrases, and voice. Number four, the message itself should be loud and clear. There should be, number five is the message should not be ambiguous. Number six is that the message should be simple to understand. Number seven is about ethos, which means establish credibility with your audience. Number 8 is about pathos, which means evoke some emotion in your audience. And number 9 is logos, which means that your argument should be logically correct. Your communication should not have any logical flaws. And finally, number 10, be organized and use frameworks while communicating, and do your preparation. So that's it. All the best. Thank you.